Hey Broccoli Man, are you headed down to Texas for the Tucker Rocky National Sales Meeting where we get to see all the new stuff, meet industry bigwigs and tune in on new ideas for our power sports dealerships?
You betcha, partner, but I don't reckon I'm gonna buy as much as I did last year cause I need to keep my cash flow in line while I stop eating red meat and become vegetarian. You noticed my new green superhero broccoli outfit, didn't you?
Well, I have decided to do the opposite and try some new, healthier stuff. We make more profit per square foot in our parts and accessory department than we do in any other department except F&I, so we are bumping up our commitment to build more floor traffic and profits. Nice outfits, but I am on the high-protein Paleolithic bacon diet myself.
Why the sudden change of directions? You never impressed me as someone to take a chance and change so fast.
Now is the time to slingshot past the competition by doing something differently. Where man has never gone before. Many dealers are tired after the recession and unwilling to evolve like the dodo bird. I only want to accelerate our rate of change to distance our dealership from those already lagging behind. Adapt or die. See ya, Dodo.
Wait. If I change my diet to include bacon and drop my Avengers broccoli outfit, will you show me around the Tucker Rocky sales meeting? Maybe I can learn to see outside the vegetables, my closet, and my own zip code.